Good evening, everyone. In today's video, we are going to show you how we did our roofing. We chose hidden flat roof because it is easy to maintain and install, cost effective, and it gives the building a sleek look. It's sort of modern than the old traditional hipped roof. And it is easy to install solar on both sides or all sides if you decide to put your solar on the roof. I'm going to leave you to watch the video. Thank you.
It's been too long now, I think that I want. I second guess you, I second guess me, I second guess them. Don't second guess me. Live in the moment, cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. Live in the moment, cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. So come a little closer, but don't hold your breath. Silence in the background, violence in your eyes now.
Remember that time you gave your heart to me. Remember that time when life was like a dream.
You know what I know. You know what I know. I need to hold you close to me. Life is a game that we play. I won't get away. We can find a safe place within our company. Within our company. Within our company. So come closer to me. Come a little closer. It's been too long now, I think that I want. I second guess you, I second guess me, I second guess them. Don't second guess me.
So come a little closer.
I need an intervention, divine intervention, you know. Only in my crucial moments do they pay attention carefully. The shadows of my past welcome me again with a smile. But something deep within, something new, lets me emerge from my cocoon. have what's right in front of me. Only you know what is right for me. Compromise, compromise, compromise. Improvise, improvise, improvise. Vacation and pure introspection. There is nowhere else to go, so I'll be coming home to you. Your sadness doesn't compare to the happiness that's just around the corner. I only have what's right in